Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to retrieve your recently deleted emails. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in the last video, I've taught you where to find the trash or the recently deleted emails, which is in more, and just click trash. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to retrieve an email that you have accidentally or you want to move again to your inbox. Like for example, this one. What I'll be doing is I can click it and then just click this remove label trash from this conversation, or you can also click this move to and then go to your inbox. So as you can see, the email has been moved to the inbox. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!